My name's Peter McGrath. I'm a design engineer at SSEN and I'm part of the submarine cables team, and over the past year I've been working on a project designing and engineering the installation of a submarine cable across Loch Broom. So what I've got here is a typical cross-section of a submarine cable. To point out some of the key features, we've got 3 cores of copper conductor, and that's used to move the electricity through the cable. The whole cable itself is protected by a double layer of steel wire armour, and that protects the cable from impact or potential threats offshore to make sure the cable's well protected and looked after. Also within the cable we have a fibre optic cable, and we use that for providing communications through the cable and for future monitoring of the cable. And in order to keep the shape and integrity of the cable, we've got little bits of packing there just to keep it in that nice round shape. And just to put a little bit of perspective to it, one of these little black dots here is a typical size of the cabling you'd find, typically in your house. And it just shows the kind of scale of this versus something you'd commonly see at home.